Hi, today we'll talk about a very brief overview about SQL plan management. SQL plan management is a mechanism in Oracle that prevents any sudden execution plan changes for its SQL, and it ensures that the Oracle database uses only known and verified plans. There's been few benefits such as, let's say, your the execution plan of a SQL is suddenly changed because there is a new optimized statistics or for different bind variable. So this SQL plan management SPM prevents Oracle's to use that new execution plans abruptly without first doing some validation. After Oracle keep evaluating the new execution plans for some time, and if it sees it consistently performing better than the existing plans, then it will make them as accepted plans and Oracle will start using the new plan. So it's kind of gracefully adapts the new execution plan. So there's something called SQL management base. This is the storage structure where all these SQL plans and SQL details are stored. SQL management base is SMB. It resides in sysOx table space. So as you can see here, this is SQL management base. Inside there you have SQL statement log. SQL statement log will contain all the SQL details like SQL signature ID, only SQL detail, not the plans. So then you have SQL plan history. SQL plan history will contain all the available execution plan for those SQLs which the SQL plan management is capturing execution plans. And out of that, some plans may be accepted and some plan may not be accepted. Accepted means those plans Oracle will start can use them for executing any query. And inside that you have SQL plan baseline. The baseline will have only accepted plans. You can see accepted and enabled plan. So for any SQL ID, let's say there are 5 different plans that Oracle has. It will have in the SQL plan history. But out of that, let's say only 2 are accepted. So Oracle will keep those plan details in the baseline and marking them as accepted enabled plan. And for any whenever the query runs, it will execute the plans with the lowest cost from the accepted plans. Remaining 3 plans which are not accepted, you will find in SQL plan history, and Oracle will SQL plan management will keep evaluating, validating that, and see if they are performing better, consistently performing better than the existing plan. If yes, then it will move them to SQL plan baseline as accepted plans. This process is called plan evolution. So that's about a very brief overview about SQL plan management. Thank you. Bye.